people. This is today I'm very excited because my little sister is, she was in the States for 2 years. She was in Washington and Colorado and all. So she's here. So I'm just so excited that and it is like close to, we reached the airport at 8:15 in the morning. And see the weather here in Hyderabad, it's beautiful weather right now. You can see it. People. And सबसे ज़्यादा I want to just say a big thank you to, earlier I used to get 4 views, 6 views. Now suddenly I check my thing, it has 396 views, 400 views. So I like, even as I'm shooting this, I'm telling myself that maybe I should comb my hair more, maybe I should apply some makeup and lipstick and then record. But just as it is with me, like I enjoy watching YouTube videos that are candid, rather than those very plastic, you know how it is, blogging should be candid. So I wish I could get my sister to come on screen, which is one hot chick. But I'll do that shortly. But this feels so good, I'm recording after so long. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.